Hello, I'm Rhonda Porter, mortgage advisor located in the greater Seattle area. I hope you had a great Labor Day weekend. This is the Mortgage Porter update for the week of September 1st. Optimal Blue reports that mortgage rates as of last Friday, August 29th, averaged about 6.494% for the 30-year conforming. So this is a slight improvement from the previous week. And the VA 30-year fix, which I've added to this chart, is just under 6%. And so that's a whole half point better than a conforming rate. And why, when you as a seller receives an offer for somebody wanting to use their VA benefit for financing, it really should be accepted. I mean, there is a true benefit for those that have served our country. And it's unfortunate when people don't accept VA offers. So I like to show this to you that it is a true benefit and one that our veterans deserve. Also, please remember that this is a survey of about 35% of the lenders who use Optimal Blue for when they go in to lock in an interest rate. So we don't know what the credit scores are or how many points are being paid and other factors that go into pricing rates. So if you would like to have a rate quote based on your personal financial scenario, please reach out to me. I'm happy to help you with that. Well, it's the first week of the month, and that means that this week is all about jobs data. So it's going to be interesting to see how the BLS Jobs report comes in since Trump fired the last BLS commissioner for not liking the weaker than expected jobs data. And in my opinion, last month's report was probably the most accurate that we've had in a long time. Typically, the BLS comes in with better numbers than what's being anticipated by the markets. And then the following months, they issue revisions to bring those numbers back down to what is more accurate. And so it'll be really interesting to see how our numbers come out with Trump's new hire. I wish markets gave more weight to the ADP report, which is released this Thursday and uses actual data instead of numbers like the BLS, which is forecasted. So it'll be really interesting, and to see how much weight the market gives the BLS report now. So current odds are that the Fed will drop the funds rate in 2 weeks at their meeting coming up on that wraps up on September 17th by about a quarter point, and that is the Fed funds rate. And those odds are currently just shy of 92%. So we'll know more in a couple of weeks. It's about 10:40 a.m. Seattle time as I prepare this, and mortgage-backed securities are down about 11 basis points. The Dow is down 342. Federal court has weighed that most of Trump's global tariffs are unconstitutional. So the tariffs are still in effect, and this will probably head to the Supreme Court. So we'll see how this unfolds. And Case-Shiller came out with their report last week on home price appreciation. And it is overall still a positive for most big cities, including Seattle. Some cities are seeing modest declines in their price indexes, but it's important to keep perspective. Like the long-term returns of owning a home are spectacular. They are so beneficial to you over paying rent. So, and this report takes the return on a 20% down payment. And so, and of course, you don't have to do 20% down. But with this scenario, if you look at Seattle, in 5 years, your return on your 20% down would be 45%. And that's pretty darn good. And in 10 years, it is 117%. And this is based off of Case-Shiller predictions. So this is also not factoring other benefits such as tax write-offs and amortization when you pay down your mortgage balance. So you kind of effectively have your own savings account. So it is really beneficial to own a home. And I've been helping some first-time home buyers lately, and I'm very excited for their financial futures. If you'd like to talk about what it would take to own a home and what you would need for down payment, again, you don't need 20%, reach out to me and we can talk about this. And if you're thinking about buying, selling, refinancing, remodeling your home, restructuring debt, or reverse mortgage, I'm happy to help you. Even if it's months away, you cannot start too early on the pre-approval process. So we can work on budget, reviewing your credit, and I'm here to help you or anyone that you know with your mortgage needs. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I hope to talk with you soon. Bye-bye.